Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today. How are you feeling today, Olivia?
I'm feeling great, Jack. I'm very happy and excited, especially when I think about the future.
Oh, the future. That's a big and interesting topic.
Yes, exactly. And that's why today's episode is all about the future, how to talk about your plans, your dreams, and your goals in English.
That's a fantastic idea. Talking about the future is something we all do every single day.
Absolutely. But before we begin, we have a quick message for our amazing listeners.
That's right. If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to Easy English Daily.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Your support really helps our channel grow. Thank you so much.
All right, Jack, let's get started. The future. Where should we begin?
Let's start with a very simple question. Olivia, what will you do after this podcast?
After the podcast, I think I will make a cup of tea.
That sounds like a great plan.
You said, I will make a cup of tea. That's a perfect example of how we talk about the future in English.
Exactly. We use the word will. W-I-L-L. Will.
Yes, will is very easy to use. We often use it for a decision we make right now, or a simple idea about the future.
Just like me asking you the question and you deciding immediately, I will make a cup of tea.
That's right. It wasn't a big plan. It was a quick decision.
Can I give another example?
Of course.
I feel a little tired. I think I will take a short walk later.
Perfect. You are tired now, so you decide now. I will take a short walk.
And the great thing about will is that it's the same for everyone.
Yes, listen carefully. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, they will. So easy.
No changes at all. For example, my sister will call me tonight. Or they will watch a movie later.
Very good examples. But Jack, what about questions? How do we ask questions using will?
Good question. It's very simple. We just change the order.
Exactly. Instead of saying, you will come to the party, we ask, will you come to the party?
So I can ask you, Olivia, will it be sunny tomorrow?
I hope so. And I can answer, yes, it will, or no, it won't.
Won't. What does won't mean?
Won't is the short form of will not. It's the negative form.
So I can say, I will eat a sandwich, but I won't eat a big pizza.
Exactly. So to review, we use will for quick decisions, simple ideas, or predictions.
But Olivia, what if we already have a plan? A real plan we decided before?
Then we use something different.
Yes, the phrase going to.
Exactly. Let me give you an example. Jack, what are you doing this weekend? Do you have any plans?
Yes, I do. On Saturday, I'm going to clean my apartment.
There it is. I'm going to clean. That means you already decided.
Yes, it's not a quick decision like drinking water. It's a real plan.
Right. For example, I can say, this weekend, I'm going to visit my parents.
That's a lovely plan.
Thank you. And when we use going to, we need the verb to be.
That's very important. We need am, is, or are.
Exactly. I am going to, you are going to, he is going to, she is going to, we are going to, they are going to.
Perfect. So for our friend Mark, we can say he is going to play football on Saturday.
And for Maria and David, they are going to have a party.
So remember, going to shows that you have a plan and you thought about it before.
Yes, it makes you sound organized and confident about the future. You know, Jack, talking about plans always makes me think about something bigger. Dreams.
Dreams. I love that word.
Me too. Dreams are those big ideas we have about our future.
Yes, a dream is something you really want in your life. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but one day.
Exactly. And dreams are very important because they give us motivation.
They give us direction. Without dreams, life can feel a little empty.
That's true. A dream is like a beautiful picture of your future.
And the good news is, in English, it's very easy to talk about dreams.
Yes, when we talk about dreams, we often use will.
For example, someone can say, "One day I will be a doctor."
That's a great example. I will be a doctor is a strong belief about the future.
It's not a small plan, it's a big dream.
Right. Or someone can say, I will travel around the world.
That sounds like my dream.
And it sounds very hopeful. Using will with dreams shows confidence and belief.
Yes, will is perfect for dreams because dreams are about what we believe will happen one day.
But Jack, here's an important question.
What is it?
Is a dream the same as a plan?
Good question. No, they are not the same.
Exactly. A dream is big and sometimes far away.
But a plan is something practical. It's something you can do.
Yes, and that's where going to comes in.
So if my dream is I will be a doctor, what is my plan?
Your plan could be next year I am going to study biology at university.
Ah, I see. The dream uses will, the plan uses going to.
Exactly. The dream is the destination, the plan is the road.
That's a great way to explain it.
Thank you. Let's give another example. If your dream is, I will speak English fluently, what is a good plan?
A good plan could be, I am going to practice English every day.
Perfect. Or, this week I am going to learn 10 new English words.
Those are small steps.
Yes, and small steps are very important.
Why are small steps so important, Olivia?
Because big dreams can feel scary, but small plans feel easy.
That's true. Saying I will be fluent in English sounds big.
But saying, today I am going to watch one English video sounds easy.
And when you complete a small plan, you feel good.
Yes, you feel proud, and that gives you energy to continue.
So a dream without a plan is just a wish.
Exactly. But a dream with a plan becomes possible.
Let me share my dream. One day, I will travel around the world.
That's a wonderful dream, Jack.
Thank you. And I also have a plan.
What is your plan?
Next year, I am going to save more money.
That's a very smart plan.
It's a small step, but it's important.
Yes. And what about you, Olivia? Do you have a dream?
Of course I do. My dream is that one day I will write a children's book.
That's beautiful. I'm sure you will do it.
Thank you. And I also have a plan.
Let me guess. You are going to write every day.
Exactly. This month, I'm going to write one page every day.
That's a perfect example of going to plus steps.
One page is not too much.
But after 30 days, you will have 30 pages.
Yes, that's the power of small steps.
And sometimes people feel tired or think their dream is too big.
That's normal. Everyone feels that way sometimes.
But that's when you stop thinking about the big dream.
And start thinking about the small plan for today.
Exactly. Just focus on the next step.
Small actions every day can change your future.
So, to everyone listening, your dreams are important.
Don't let anyone tell you your dream is too big.
And remember, it's never too late to make a new dream.
And it's never too late to make a new plan.
The future is not written yet.
You are going to write it.
Before we finish today's episode, Jack, let's talk about something very useful. Time words for the future.
Yes, time words help us say when something will happen.
Exactly. They are like signs on the road to the future.
Let's start with a very common one, tomorrow.
Tomorrow means the day after today. For example, I will call you tomorrow.
Or we can say, I am going to visit the supermarket tomorrow.
Perfect. We can use will or going to with tomorrow.
Another useful word is tonight.
Yes. Tonight means the evening of today.
For example, we're going to watch a movie tonight.
Or I will finish my homework tonight.
Now let's talk about the future a little further away.
We can say next week.
For example, I am going to start my new job next week.
Congratulations.
just an example. And we can also say next month or next year.
Yes. For example, she is going to have a baby next month.
That's a big and exciting plan.
And next year, I am going to travel to another country.
That sounds amazing.
We can also be very specific. We can say in 2 days,
Or in 3 weeks.
or even in 5 years.
For example, in 5 years, I will live in a house by the beach.
I love that example. Using will for a big dream in the distant future sounds very hopeful.
Yes. So now let's do a quick review.
First, when do we use will, Jack?
We use will for quick decisions, simple facts, predictions, and big dreams.
For example, I think it will rain tomorrow.
Or one day I will travel around the world.
Perfect. Now, when do we use going to?
We use going to for plans, things we already decided before.
For example, I am going to study English tonight.
Or next month I am going to start a new course.
Great job. So remember, will equals quick decision or dream, going to equals plan.
Simple and clear.
Now it's time for our favorite part, practice.
Yes, we want you to practice.
Please write a comment below.
Tell us one thing you are going to do tomorrow.
And tell us one big dream you have for your future.
Use will or going to in your comment.
We love reading your comments.
And we love seeing your dreams and plans.
Before we go, we want to say something important to you.
Your dreams matter.
Your plans matter.
And even small steps matter.
Don't stop dreaming.
Don't stop planning.
And don't stop practicing English.
The future is not written yet.
You are going to write it.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Daily.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel.
Give this video a like.
And share it with your friends and family who are learning English.
Until next time,
Keep practicing
keep dreaming.
and keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.